Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. So today my friends and I want to present about project 1, Visual Basic Programming. My name is Naifan Fisher Baitin Raslan. My numeric is 01DDT23F098. So I will start to my presentation. This is our group member name. First of all, this is our design for this project. Windows Form application for pizza restaurant. Our restaurant pizza name is the Pizza Heaven. Next, we add menu strip to add preference like dark mode and light mode and exit. We also add save file dialogs, context menu strip to show a dialog box that allows the user to specify a file name and location to save a file. And we add context menu strip for right-click context menu for control like text box, combo box, or forms. And you can see at the slide coding for menu strip to change light mode and dark mode and exit the forms. These all tools that we use in our design, such as domain up-down for the quantity menu, text box to insert the customer name, radio button for yes or no if has a membership, button to place order, group box to group the text and button, and lastly label for pizza, pasta, side, beverage, customer name and membership. This video for change light mode and dark mode and to exit. That's all from me. Then I will pass to my friend Zahia. This video for change light mode and dark mode and to exit. That's all from me. Then I will pass to my friend Zahia. This video for change.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Zaidin Sanishma binti Zalman and my message number is F1087. So now I'm gonna start to explain about the combo box for menu and price. So the image display 4 string collection editor windows which each containing different food and drinks items along with their respective prices. So this collection will be used to populate combo box in the application. So as you guys can see, there is 4 categories that we already put in there. The first one is pasta, second one is pizza, the third one is sides, and the last one is beverage. So in this combo box, we already put so basically for like pasta, what we got like bolognese, carbonara, and for the beverage, what drinks do we have that we can provide for them? It's like Coke, Sprite, ice lemon tea, and so on. So as long along with their prices, so that customer can know what the price they will be paid for. So the purpose of the combo box is just that I said earlier, is for the user can select a menu item from the combo box, and also the system can retrieve the selected items and its price for the further processing, which is to calculate the total bill so that it can be displayed for the customer. So for the coding for the combo box and each menu, we're using if else if and also the selected index. So how does this coding works? So basically when the user select any menus, for example the pizza one, so if the user select a pizza from the combo box pizza, and then the selected index change will trigger the code checks the selected text from the CBO pizza.text. Then it will update the picture box, which is the PCB pizza.image with the corresponding pizza image from resources. So basically for all of those menus that we have the 4 categories, we're using the same coding, but basically when they choose any menu, the image on the display will change for the same as the menu that they choose, so they can see the visual of their menu, so what the food, what the drinks and side that they will get. So that's the same for the other one also. So for this code it is actually set up to ensure a dynamic and interactive user interface for selecting food and drinks in the restaurant system. So basically each selection each selection updates. Each selection updates the respective image will improve the user experience. So basically, it's make the user, the customer, easier to choose what they want to order, since they can know the price and they can see the image of the menu, the food, the drinks that they want to order. And also for the picture box for each menu, in the image we see how the picture box are used to show food and beverage items dynamically based on the user selection. So how does this works actually? So the menu is divided into 4 categories, just like earlier: pizza, pasta, sides, and beverage. So for each category has a picture box display the selected item. The picture box task menu. The screenshots show the picture box task menu where the following options are available, which is the first one is choose image. The second one is size mode. So basically for the size mode, we're using stretch image. It will make it easier since the image will fit perfectly in the size of the picture box that we already did it. Next, we use it for the selecting resources for image. The image are stored under my.resources and they include different menu items like all those the menus that we list on the display part. So how does it works in the application? When the user selects an item from the combo box, the corresponding image will retrieve from resources and assign it to the picture box where they will be displayed at. So for the conclusion, the picture box in a restaurant system will enhance the user experience by providing a visual of what they will order or what they will receive based on what they choose for. So that's all from me. I'll pass it to the next person, which is Irdina Batrisha.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Irdina Batrisha. My matrix number 01DDT2F1121. So today, I will explain about the code for the calculation and the membership price. So let's go through the code. And so in our combo box, we already placed our price. As you can see, in this calculate coding, we use dictionary. So first thing, I just put dim total as decimal equal 0. And I also use toString to connect with the numeric up and down. So if I use this, when we run the output, the calculation automatically will up. And so as you can see, because we have 4 combo box, so we must put the coding to each combo box. Because of that, the output of the calculation will automatically display. Like I say, the star on the NUD pasta.value and other combo box is actually for the connection between the combo box and the numeric up and down. So when you select the quantity, it will automatically calculate your price of your menu. So in this coding, I use toString, but you also can use toUpper. It's just the same thing, these two coding. Because the combo box and the numeric up and down is already connected, when I apply the membership discount, this coding also will automatically calculate the discount if we run the output. So as you can see in the coding, you also need to put if RDB yes, the radio button, to make sure that this code can read your coding, and then when we run the output, it will be calculated automatically and it will display the answer. Also add dim order details. So after you fill the form, the message box will appear after you already done fill the form. So as you can see in the code, after we run the output, the message box, you will fill the form first, and the message box will appear after you finish fill, and it will appear or of the order confirmation. So we have order summary, that is pizza, pasta, side, beverage, and customer name, membership, and the total price of your menu that you choose. So that's mean after your already order confirmation, you can just click the button OK. This mean your order already confirmed and already done. And that's all for me. And now I will pass to my friend.
Thank you, Erdina, for the previous explanation. Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ainusna binti Razali and my matrix number is 01DDT23F1119. And I will continue to explain about the membership and also the customer name. So as for the customer name, you will have to fill your name into the text box. As for the membership, you have to select your membership status. If you are a member, then the system will apply a membership discount. But if you're not a member, then the system will display a normal total price. This membership also is associated with the radio button yes and no. Next, I will explain about the place order button. This button is used to handle user input, which is customer name and also the membership. When clicked, then it checks if required fields are filled and shows a confirmation message with the details. It is also check the membership status selected by the user through a radio button. If you see in the coding, you can find it at the RDO membership yes and also RDO membership no. Then, if any required fields are incomplete, it alerts the user with a message, please select a membership status. Last but not least, button place order also save the order details and also calculate the total price for the customer.